Now we are solving the second problem for these three methods for this graphical solution, graphical method, solution of the equations, and the solution of equations with inequalities form. So our problem is x plus 2 modulus is equal to 2x minus 1 modulus. So we have seen it here that both sides have the modulus sign. So for this first part, the graphical method, let y is equal to x plus 2 and y is equal to 2x minus 1. So we split in the two graphs there. So y is equal to x plus 2 is the graph like this, and y is equal to 2x minus 1 is the graph like this. This is the method, and now we will combine these two graphs. This is the graph of this, and this graph is going to be like this. This 1, because 0 is in it, it is origin. This is x-axis, and this one is y-axis. Now, for this graph, is the graph of this. So you have seen it here that these are the two positions where they are going to meet each other. So we will get this A solution and this B solution, but we can only here tell us that there are only two solutions for this graph when there are modulus on both sides there. Now, with the solution, x plus x plus 2 modulus is equal to 2x minus 1. So you can have this option A there by using this property plus minus x. Plus is plus, so one option is there that x plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 1. So if we solve it, x minus 2x is equal to minus 1 minus 2 or minus x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 3. The second option for this part is minus x plus 2 is equal to plus 2x plus 1. Sorry, 2x minus 1. So this will become minus x minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 1. Minus x minus 2x is equal to 2 minus 1. Minus 3x is equal to 1, or x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the second option of this, which is the B part. If we use here minus and here plus, that is the same answer. If we use both minus and minus will cancel each other, so that will become positive option there. So there are only two options for this part, that on one side you can take positive and other side you can take positive and the negative of this part there. Or x plus 2 modulus, if we use this first property of this, it should be square and then square root should be equal to 2x minus 1 square and then square root. Taking square on both sides, so x plus 2 square is equal to 2x minus 1 square. Open it, it will be x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 4x square minus 4x plus 1. If we shift all from the left to the right, it should be equal to 3x square minus 8x and 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So if we factorize this thing as 3x square minus 8x minus 3 equal to 0, then this will become 3x square minus 9x plus x minus x is equal to 0. By taking 3x common from the first part, 3x, it is x minus 3 plus 1 is common, x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 into 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So either this is 0, then x value will be equal to 3, and this is 0, then x value will be equal to minus 1 over 3, which is they have the same solution in the previous part, 3 and minus 1 over 3. Now the last part of this one is using solution with inequalities. X plus 2 modulus is, let's say, less than 2x minus 1 modulus. Just open it, x plus 2 whole square and then square root is less than 2x minus 1 whole square and then square root. Taking square on both sides, it will become x plus 2 square is less than 2x minus 1 square. This will become x square plus 4x plus 4 is less than 4x square minus 4x plus 1. Shift it to the side, so it should be equal to 3x square minus 8x minus 3 or 3x square minus 8x minus 3 is greater than 0. But we know from this part 3x square minus 9x plus x minus 3 equal to 0, and we just write it here, critical solution. This is very important there, that you have to write down the critical solution for this whenever there is inequality. You just put it equal to 0, and this factorization will be x minus 3 into 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Our x value will be equal to 3 and minus 1 over 3. So you have to solve it with the whole of that picture. You draw this line here where it is minus 1 over 3 and this one is 3 there. Since the coefficient of x square is positive, so the shape will be the minima. And now you need in this less than 0. So that means it is less than 0 means, sorry, it is greater than 0. So greater than 0 means it is after 3 and less than minus 1 over 3. So our exact solution to this problem is x is less than minus 1 over 3 or x is greater than 3, because it is greater than 0 here. So if it is less than 0 here, then it would be opposite option, that x lies between minus 1 over 3 and 3. So this is the exact solution of these three in the second problem of this modulus function